This is going to be part 2 of this process that I'm doing. In the first part, I was bending these U-shaped bits from 40 by 15 flat, and I was doing that around this jig. I've subsequently cut off these bits that were securing this to the bench. So these are going to become like a sort of 90-degree fold, and it's for sort of down a set of steps sculpture, for want of a better phrase. And I've made these before, but I did it all a little bit more arbitrarily, and it involved a lot of cold tweaking. And this time round, I want to try and do it all hot, so that I don't have to put so much strain on my body, cold tweaking everything. So I've got these indentations here and here, which show me where it's like a semicircle. So these are going to go in up to there, and this bit will be hot. I'll lock this down to the bench, tight, and then I'll pull on that around till it butts up against there, and I can clamp it down to that, because that there is the same as the underside of there in terms of height. What I then will have to do is, because these things, it's like a sort of, like if they sort of fold like, that's not a good drawing of it. Let me get a piece of paper. So what these things do is basically what I've so far made is a U shape like that. Now what I'm doing is turning it that way and pulling it round like that. So when you stand it up, you get like a 90-degree fold through, bend through here. And what's going to happen is these things are going to be winding in and out of each other. So what I have to do is reset all this up over on this side here, where I've already started to pre-mark my dimensions, move all the tooling round, because the next set, so this is like set 1, which are going to get bent out like that. And then set 2 get bent out like that. So when that's one set goes like that, and the other set goes like that, and then they sort of weave in and out of each other. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Now, I did just do one of these fold twists, but as you can tell from my jig, I put this post was originally 40mm forward, so I've welded this extra little bit on. I had to cut these welds and shift that back. I basically calculated the position of this wrong by 40mm. I was working off the outside face of the bar, not the inside face, or vice versa. Anyway, but in any case, what it has done, I tweaked it so it's right. Tapping that. So that's what I'm working towards. So my usual working forge is the Swan 2-door competitor, but I'm using for this the Swan Mini Mother, which is quite a big step up in terms of size. And I'm going to work front and back on this. So these would never fit in two-door. So last time when I did these, I had to do these in one heat because I couldn't get them back in the forge afterwards.